everybody, and today is Thursday and I hope everyone's having a great week. And before I continue, I need you guys to do me a humongous favor. I need you guys to hit the like button and hit that sub button if you're new to the channel. Share with all your friends and tell them to sub as well. Well, yesterday we had pasta with tomato sauce. We were fine with tomato, but I'm noticing something. I think I'm getting a mast cell reaction with it because I'm getting pimples and everything, so, and spots right here, so like as you can see, and yeah, like food could cause a lot of reactions like that with the MCAS, and we're very positive that I have it. And you know what, like it kind of sucks, but that's life, and you have to live with it and learn how to cope with everything. And this is why I'm showing you my experience, how I do it. But yeah, we're trying to figure out our health issues, and it's one step at a time. It's not like instant. Since it's Throwback Thursday, I want to show you guys a little picture from the past with Eli. He looks almost exactly like Micah when he was a baby, and everyone says that exact same thing. So here's a little picture. Yeah, he was going through separation anxiety there, and he didn't want to be put down, so why not take a picture? It's so cute. So at some point today, we gotta build this Ikea thing. What I told you yesterday, if you missed yesterday's vlog, just go back and you'll see what I mean. Yeah, and that's gonna be fun for later on. So for today's lunch, we are gonna have, exactly what are we gonna have?
Butternut, onion, chicken broth, and some maybe chicken on the side that we have left over.
If we had duck fat, we would be putting it in there, but we don't, so.
Well, not necessarily always duck fat, but that's the one we can use. You know, we can use coconut oil and things like that. But for us, it's duck fat for now.
I need a haircut. It's kind of wavy right there. I don't like it. Yummy soup! It's ready with gluten-free pita bread. There's no eggs in this one. And what else? It's free of a lot of stuff, eh?
The pita? Yeah, no, it's gluten-free pitas. It's just like oil, flour, water.
We were so grateful to find it, but unfortunately they're going out of stock with these ones very soon, and they're stopped. No, kind of sucks, but I wish you guys could smell the soup right now because it smells really good. Too bad they don't have smell-o-vision. Hey guys, so we are at the park right now enjoying our time outside. It's 13 degrees, you said?
It's 13, so for you Americans it's 52.
Yeah, so we're trying to enjoy it as much as we can. At least it's long sleeve weather, so why not? Brought my camera. There's more construction there. They're redoing the whole pool. It's supposed to be done by June, but it's not going to be done by June. You can't do it, Eli.
No, not like that. Okay? Ready? Go! Woo!
Almost. job, Micah.
This time we're switching sides.
Yeah.
You can tell he's shaky, like the legs shake as he goes up.
Yeah.
But he's working on it. We only get like OT once every 3 months, 4 months, so we have to do it ourselves.
3, 2, 1, go!
All right.
Woo!
Time to go. Oh, you're fine. You're fine.
Daddy, I'll carry you.
Come on, he's ready. Right now.
And all the way back. So I just asked the neighbor if he could come help me and bring down the box, because obviously I cannot bring it down on my own with Sarah, and it's a bit too heavy for both of us, and he's a bit stronger than us. So yeah, I'm not afraid to say that I'm not that strong. So if I could, I would. So our friend, he got the box down. It's pretty heavy, this one right here. And he actually did it on his own. I wanted to help him. I even put on my brace so I could have more strength. But yeah, no. He tried to do it on his own, but the box broke, and he flew towards safety. And well, it's the box. They made it so weird that for the box to break like that.
They smell. We have to air them out. You know, like that new plastic.
Yummy.
No, but
Seriously, smell-o-vision? You
smells
can't.
like
You guys
garbage.
can't really.
It smells like garbage.
It's probably recycled garbage.
It's kind of weird.
Don't wanna complicate ya.
So if you're wondering how it's going with everything, well,
Which side is what? Oh, that's the
yeah, there's the patterns.
No, but they're all the same.
Huh.
But this one has like lines on it, so I'm guessing that's the inside. When it's
And if you're wondering why I'm not getting involved with this building, because it's too little pieces for me to understand. And yeah,
and
the instructions,
okay.
not for me.
Where's the hole?
I actually remember when we built, when I built this with her dad, it was a disaster.
What's doing? You said that. Oh no! No, that's the other side. That's the wrong side. So that's this, but like this. Yeah. So this is my no. But I'm gonna have it on my side. There. Okay. So now I need this. Yeah, that will connect here. This is the smaller one that starts here. And then I have to put those in, 12 of those. Okay.
Well, while Sarah's doing that, I am going to the store and getting some food. So it's gonna be a long hour or so. So yeah, it might, for you guys it's okay because you're seeing the process and you're seeing the time lapse, but it takes a while, and you know how Ikea is. So how's it going? Not bad.
I'm missing the rails and then to put the...
Wait, move. I got the thumbnail.
before I do those.
Yeah, no. Hey guys, so wanna see what's done? Look at that. It looks so much better. So we wanted a bit more space to walk around in there. It was getting a bit too cramped up and we didn't like it. That's it for today's video, and thank you guys for watching. And if you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe and hit the like button and share with all your friends and tell them to sub as well. We'll see you on the next one.